What's up everyone? It's me, your Suditri John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries of Mega Lap. Shout out mga ka-Jeromantics. We are back for a reaction video for Jerome Evardome for his performance for Kings for a Day concert. It's a duet with his dad, Sir Ruel Evardome. Akalain niyo Ruel ang pangalan ng tatay ni Jerome. Yes. So ito na nga, nirequest to sa atin for today's video dahil meron siyang concert na Kings of the Day kasama parang Father's Day music legacy special ito sa Paddy's Point Restaurant. So I'm so excited to check this out. But before proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys.
Thank you po sa lahat ng gifts. So, again,
Wow.
alam nyo ba guys?
Si Stephen JC at Papa Jam ang kanyang kasama.
Na kanta. Pero hindi ko pa rin sa ulo hanggang ngayon. Batang-bata ka pa. Nangabuhay mo. Sige,
Palang unang song na kinakanta ng tatay niya sa
So, huwag
kanya.
natin patagalin ang ating introduction sa aking ama ng Ireland, Ruel Evardome.
Oh, Sir Ruel Evardome. Di ba meron siyang ginawa na kasama niya na may mga kapatid niya? Ito naman tatay niya. Grabe. May pinagmanahan pala ng pagiging musically inclined.
Yan na, Tita Elizabeth!
Ay, sino si Tita Elizabeth? Aba, poging-pogi din pala ang tatay ni Jero.
Dramatics!
Jerome po ay lumaki na puro ingay sa bahay. Opo, sobra. Lumaki sa music ng lola niya, ng lolo niya. Sa akin,
Wow.
kahit sa loob ng sasakyan, puro music ang naririnig niya.
Wala namang pinagduda at napakagaling ni
Yung
Jero
mga kuya niya,
kumanta.
na isa rin sa malaking influensya sa kanya,
Nagpe-play din ba siya ng instrument, guys? You can comment down
kung
below.
isipin po ninyo si Jerome, ang una niyang natutunang kanta ay rap music. Hindi ko po talaga
Rap
inakala
music.
na magiging Elvis Presley ito. Wala po talaga yun sa sa aking ang unawa kung bakit maging Elvis Presley ito. Kasi kumakanta po siya ng mga rap music, tsaka mga rock music.
Oh, rap and rock
And
naman
nung
pala.
alam ko, nung marinig
Well,
ko
King
si
of Rock, di ba?
Presley,
Elvis Presley.
And I told him na take good care of your vocals
Wow,
and you will go somewhere. And now,
what a beautiful advice.
at dahil na po,
Yes.
natulog po ninyo.
Yes. The support of all the Jeromantics. Hala, naiyak ata si Jero.
Maraming salamat po.
Pinawisan lang, pinawisan.
Kung talaga kaya kayong pasalamatan hindi ng ano po man, hindi ay pagpalain nawa po kayo lagi ng Diyos.
Wow, napaka-good-hearted din pala ng father niya. No? Yes, go daddy!
Ngayon po, gigitarahan po si Jerome.
Ah, si daddy ang magigitara.
Pinalakihan niyo. Mga folk music. Ito po ang mga panahon namin.
Ay,
Ito po siya natuto.
ito nga leader of the band ata kasi yun yung nakita ko sa comment request. Thank you so much for requesting this. Yes!
Mga nagpupuyat.
Mga nagpupuyat.
Dramatics.
Jamantics. Bakit may Jamantics na ngayon, guys? Comment down below. Kwento niyo sa akin ang story niyan. Mga grupong puyat na.
Amin muna si Papa. Now,
Mga Jamantics, anong meron? Bakit yung Jeromantics ngayon ay Jamantics na, guys? Tama ba? Comment down below.
At saka kay Papa ko natutunan pagkanta na ito. Yes po, Pops.
Ha? In fairness, yung mga kapatid niya, Sir Mark, mana sa tatay nila kasi nagigitara, no? Oh. Ang galing naman ni Daddy. Daddy, you're well. Parang yung mga Jeromantics kay Daddy Rebel na kinikilig, hindi na kay Jerome, ha? pagod, the soft tone, and the low tone of Jerome. And feel na feel mo kasi Father's Day, no? 'Di ba? Normally, itong Leader of the Band is a song for a dad ni Regine Velasquez. So, sobrang relatable.
Quiet man music,
Oh my God.
try to be your soldiers, but this music wouldn't work.
Ganda
There was
naman.
love to this
Soft tone.
drum, gentle dreams of scorpion souls, the ears to understand. Everybody.
Grabe, iba yung kanta ni Jerome in a way na normal vocal combining with an Elvis vibes, you know. Alam niyo yung vibrato na Elvis, kuwang-kuwa kasi ni Jerome yun. So even if it's a normal vocal, kapag mga classic song, naririnig natin yung nuances na yun. Do you hear that, guys? You can comment down below.
Leader of the
Whoa.
Palestine, sighs are growing old. His blood runs through my instrument, and song is in my soul. Love spirit for a tale,
Wow.
who imitate
Iba yung dynamics, saka yung escalation ng vocal. Iba yung volumized version ni Jerome pagdating dun sa chorus. Talagang feel na feel. Balikan nga natin yung chorus, guys.
love spirit for his blood runs through my instrument.
Balikan natin.
Leader of the Palestine, sighs are growing old.
Ah,
His blood runs through my instrument, and song is in my soul.
nag-nasal siya pero hindi obvious.
Love spirit for a tale,
Wow, normal vocal na high notes. Basta San Pedro pala itong Paddy's. Sa Laguna. I love the soft tone.
brothers' lives are different, for they hurt one went through Chicago, and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado.
Saka yung diction, guys, the way that he's pronouncing the words, lyrics is so good. Diba? The diction, the enunciation, plus the heartfelt storytelling of this song, kuhang-kuha na Jerome. Love it. Instrumental. Galing ni Daddy mag-gitara. Grabe. Diba parang mga kapatid ni Jerome? Diba kay Daddy na kayo kinikilig, mga ka-Jeromantics. Sa totoo, ang mga mami kinikilig.
Nandiyan si Kuya Ruben.
Grabe ang mami. Ang mga mami na Jeromantics natin kay Daddy kinikilig.
Thank you for the freedom when it came our time to go. Thank you for
Oh. Wow. Oh my God, ang cute naman nun. At saka talaga inano ni Jerome na, Papa, you can sing with me. Hindi lang siya tumugtog. Balikan natin. May blending. Wow! Oh, sweet! Jerome giving the spotlight to his dad. That is so good. Iba ang harmony ng father and son. Oh, sweet. Wow! What a sweet moment. It's like a core memory for Jerome, no? Singing with his dad on stage. Wala na goosebumps ako, guys. Grabe. Eh, oh my gosh! Daddy Ruel and Jerome Ebardome singing Leader of the Band. More daw, more! May iba pa ba silang guys? Comment down below. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Ebardome with his father, Daddy Ruel Ebardome, singing Leader of the Band. Grabe, a father and son duet. At first, instrumental lang si Daddy Ruel. But of course, Jerome wanted to pay tribute to his dad and of course, share the spotlight. Kasi parang core memory nga ito sa kanya that his dad is one of his musical influence in life. And now na kumakanta siya sa stage, of course, he has to honor his dad. Grabe yun. Nag-goosebumps ako nung dalawa na silang kumakanta. And the harmonization, grabe. The way that Jerome gave the spotlight to his dad is really an amazing act of son to be grateful to his father for all the influence and also how he was raised as a singer and a musician. Musician! Oh, maganda. Meron ba yung kasama yung mga kapatid niya and his dad, guys? You can comment down below. Let me know in the comment section. Of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lacia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.